Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix your iPhone camera is shaking and how we can fix this. So if you're having this kind of trouble, and this is what you have to do. So the first thing is all about what you need to do is you should be always having a practice of removing the case. Over here on my iPhone, as you can see, I have already removed the case. And you can see this, I just removed the case. And make sure before getting to the first step, you just need to clean over here as well. Just clean around the camera with something like soft cotton or something. Just you have to clean it. After removing the case and cleaning it, then what you need to do is you have to use your bare finger over here like this. Then what you need to do is go to the camera. We have 3 cameras here. Just go over here gently. You have to press it. You have to just press it over here gently and you have to check. While doing this step, there is one more thing. What you need to do is you have to turn on the camera, make sure that you're in the camera. Once you get into the camera, then only you have to do this step. Just go over here like this, tilt your phone and gently you have to press. You should not be doing very hard, just gently press it over here like this. Using your finger, you have to press like this and you have to check. Sometimes that might work and this might help you guys in some way. So you can try this. And moving to the second step is all about we have to do with a force restart. So this is a very important step you need to try. So to do a force restart, what you need to do is you have to press the volume up followed by the volume down. Make sure that you have to press this very instantly. Then over here we have the volume, the power button over here. You have to just press and hold this button unless and until this the screen goes black, and when you see the Apple logo you have to remove it. So just follow the instruction that I'm going to give you guys and you can try it. So let me press volume up followed by volume down and press and hold the power button over there. You have to keep pressing and all you have to do is just wait patiently. Now this display is completely off and just wait for the Apple logo. When you see the Apple logo, you can just remove your finger from the power button and just wait. And this is what we have to do as the second step. Now what you need to do is there is one more thing which I wanted to add it over here. One of the friend, it did work it for them, so you can try this. So if none of these tricks are going to work, what you need to do is if you're still having the problem, try putting a small magnet on the front of your iPhone, like exactly on the opposite side of where the camera is. So right now you can see this is the side where we have the camera. So try putting a magnet, a small magnet is fine. So you can just put it over there and you have to check. And also make sure, so the friend which worked for him, he just used the super glue, so which I'm not supporting for that, or neither I'm not encouraging guys. But even though using a small magnet over here in the opposite side of the camera did work it for that. So you can just try in that way. Sometimes that might even help. So you can do it based on your own risk. You don't have to use the super glue, in my opinion, personal opinion. But even though a small camera on the opposite side of the camera, you can just use it and you have to check, and for some reason it can even help. So this is just for the information and you can do it. So these are the steps when it comes to how to fix this, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.